two different ways on rifle. Okay, so first, let's start with a little bit of a warm-up. Let's do 40 drop spins on both sides again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, drop, stop. Okay, now for left drop spins, 5, 5, 6, squeeze, push, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, drop, stop. Now let's warm up with some double pass. We're going to do 2 sets of 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now let's warm up with some butt twirls. We're going to do 2 singles and 2 doubles. 5, 6, 5, 6, squeeze, push, and catch. 5, 6, 5, 6, squeeze, push, and catch. 5, 6, 5, 6, squeeze, dip, 1, 2, catch. 5, 6, 5, 6, squeeze, dip, 1, 2, catch. Okay, now let's learn how to do the first way to do a catch behind the back. So you start with your feet shoulder width apart and your rifle at right set. You go 5, 6, squeeze, 7, down, 8. For count 1, you're just going to bring it up like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Count 2, you're going to turn your hips to the left and bring the rifle over like you would do a flourish. So count 2 here, and make sure the bolt is facing out towards your left, like this, and the strap facing towards you. So count 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Count 3, you're going to release it, and you're releasing it just like this. You're going to throw here and catch like this. So throw, catch, throw, catch. Get used to throwing it here, and once you throw it, reach this hand behind and bringing it thumbs down on your back like this. So that's how you're going to grip the rifle, and the rifle's going to land in your hand like this. Okay? So get used to that. Bringing it over, releasing it, and catching it with your thumb like that. Like this, yes. Okay? So, and you release on count 3, catch on count 4. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you catch right here. Ooh, this is where I caught it like this. Thumb pressed up against like this, and your hands wrapped around the neck like that. You bring it back to basically right set, just right behind your back like this. Okay? I'm gonna do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time, catch it on that neck. Okay, I'll do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I'm gonna face the back now so you can see what it looks like, how you catch it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, as soon as I release it, I bring this hand, my right hand, back around and catch the rifle. So you're releasing with your right hand and catching with your right hand. Remember that. Release with right, catch with right. Your left is just going to stay in the air like this. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch it nice and strong behind your back like this. Last time, facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just have to keep working at it. This is something that you're going to have to practice a lot to get the same amount of momentum and amount of spin right there every time, so it just becomes muscle memory and you'll be able to catch it without looking. For the second type, you're going to start with your feet shoulder width apart and in right set. You're going to count on 5, 6, 7, squeeze 8 this time. You're going to take your right foot and step behind you like this, and your hips are going to turn to face the right, and you're going to slide the rifle down at an angle and your right hand is going to slide up all the way to the top of the strap here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. From here, you're going to pull your left hand down, and your right hand is going to raise the rifle up, and you're going to release on count 3. The release will look like this, and the rifle is going to land like this in your arms. Your hand. Pull, catch. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, pull 3. Right from here, you're just going to pull it up, and you're going to catch the right hand behind your back. So pull and catch. And you catch it like this. The rifle's kind of at an angle. The butt is in the air. The bolt is facing up, and the nose is facing the ground, like this. Okay? So let's do the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, catch 4. Okay? And your left hand can just go to your shoulder. That's usually what I do. It helps me from like doing something weird with my hand. Just put it on your shoulder. And those are 2 ways you can catch rifle behind your back. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask me. And good luck with this skill.